Hello everybody, this is Bonky again. You just came to Bonky Virus again. How are you all doing? I'm doing fine. I hope everything's good with you. Okay, today we will deal with very basic Korean structure and languages. This class is very basic explanation about Korean language. Why do you want to learn Korean language? Everybody has different opinions, right? Some people might have good Korean friends, so that's why they want to learn Korean language. Some people are interested in Korean culture, and some people have planned to travel to Korea. Everybody has different opinions. Everybody has different reasons. Yes. To learn another culture, the best way is to learn their language. And you are now here to learn Korean language. And I will show you the similarity and difference between English language and Korean language. So, you ready? Okay, let's go. I'll show you some examples. The first example, English word, God. If I express in Korean sound, we write this way, God. The sound a little different. Here again, God, English word. In Korean word, the sound is God. Little short and little high. It express 기역 plus plus and 시옷. Let me make this a little thicker. Okay. Let's see the English word God first. The consonant G first plus vowel O plus consonant D. The three alphabet compound together and it makes the meaning God and the sound God. Let's see Korean language, Korean alphabet. Korean alphabet, the consonant 기역 plus vowel plus again consonant 시옷. These three alphabets compound together and it makes sound God. When you write it, you write this way. Yes. Okay, do you want to see one more example? Here. Again, God, an English word. God is, in Korean language, we call it Shin. Shin. When you write it, as I said, the previous page, G plus, O plus, and D. So they are compounded, and then it makes the word God. What about the Korean language Shin? 시옷, consonant, E, vowel, and 니은, consonant. These three Korean alphabets compound together and it makes Shin. When you write it, it goes this way. Shin. One more time. Shin. Do you see the similarity? English language and Korean language has the same way. All the sound get together and it makes one meaning. I'll show you one more example. Okay, you just saw the Korean word Shin. Shin is in English, what was it? Yes, it is God. If you express this, only the sound in English, we can express this way. Shin, yes, I'll show you this one more time. 시옷, consonant, E, vowel, and 니은, consonant. These three sounds, the alphabet compounds together and it makes Shin. The meaning is God. Let's see. The sound Shin in English. S, consonant, H, consonant, and I, vowel, and N, consonant. In English alphabet, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U, right? As I said before, in English language and Korean language, how they are made is all the sound and alphabets compound together and it makes sound, also it has meaning. Okay? So both English and Korean make a meaning by compounding each alphabet, as you see in previous samples. Now, let's learn about Korean basic alphabet. I will show you. Basically, there are 14 consonants and 10 vowels in Korean alphabets. Let's see consonants first. The first one is 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읓, 키읔, 티읕, 피읍, 히읗. There are 14 consonants in Korean alphabet. Let's check out vowels then. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. There are 10 vowels in Korean alphabets. Let's see. The first consonant, 기역. When you write it, it goes here. Don't worry about now how to remember and memorize all the consonant and vowel in Korean alphabet, because on next sample and next class, we will focus on consonant and vowel. So step by step, as I said in the instruction, I'll go by that. So don't worry about memorizing and studying about consonant and vowel. I'm just showing you the similarity and difference between English language and Korean language. So let's see the first consonant of Korean alphabet, 기역. We can just write 기역 here. What is 기역? 기역 is the name of the sound 기역. It's a promise. As if the English alphabet A, this is what? Pronouncing code. A, this one is the name of the sound A. Then now, let's see how each alphabet compounds together. Okay, for example, the first consonant, 기역, and first vowel, 아. These two compound together and it makes 가. 가, 가. It is consist of 기역, consonant plus 아, vowel. So it makes 가. What about, we saw this before, 신. 신 is 시옷 plus 이 plus 니은. 신 means what? Yes, it is God. If you express in English way, it's a S-H-I-N, shin, S-H-I-N. Yes. Every alphabet, every sound compound together and it makes one sound and it has meaning. But do you see the difference between Korean language and English language? Let's see. When you express shin, you write S-H-I-N. Yes. You write to the right way. When you write Korean word shin, you write 시옷 and E, and at the below you write the consonant